Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to draw this line. Without any further ado, let's get started.
Things first, you need an HB pencil, then an 2B pencil and an 6B pencil and a white gel pen. If you don't have that, use correction pen and a needle eraser. Friends, if you don't know how to draw the outlines, I have already posted a video for that. Please go and watch the links in the description as well as the guides. And friends, I'm not going to narrate the whole thing. You will be seeing a label right here, like in the left corner. You can see the label and use the pencil to draw it. Friends, in this video I'm going to use the stroke technique for everything, because in this video I'm not going to be using any special methods like a precision eraser or like an indenting techniques or anything. I'm just going to use my pencil and the kneadable eraser and a white gel pen for the key highlights. That's it. That's pretty much it. The easiest and the most effective method to draw hairs and furs, according to me, is this method. This is called the stroke technique, and I have used this nearly in my every drawings, and I have said this in a lot of videos. But still, if you don't know what it is, this is just drawing pencil strokes in the direction as you want, or as in the reference picture. First, you want to go with the lightest grade you have, and then adding details to it by using an higher grade pencil or a darker grade pencil. This is how it works. Now I'm using an HB pencil to layer the basic and the highlighted areas. Then I'm going to add the shadows and depth to it by a darker grade pencil like a 4B or a 6B. So that's pretty much it. In this drawing, in this whole process, I'm just going to be using this. As you can see, I have used HB pencil till now, and I'm just switching to 2B pencil to add a lot more depth and shadow. Friends, no more talks, you can just carry on with your work, grab your pencil and draw it. Friends, if you are feeling it's a bit faster, please pause the video and draw it, and then you can resume it again and start drawing it again. I can't upload much longer videos than this because there is no high-speed internet connection in my area where I live, and this is very tough for me to upload 1 GB of video to internet, because it's going to take hours and hours to upload. It's very tough. So I hope the day will be coming soon where I can upload tons and tons of videos with much longer duration, and at that point I'll be live streaming very often and showing you in real time how to draw things. So until then, these type of short tutorials will be coming. I hope you like it, and if you do so, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and newbie artists who just want to learn drawing. And if you want more tutorials like this, you can head to my playlist how to draw. You can find it in my description as well as in the playlist section. You can watch much more tutorials and learn something. Enjoy the video, my friends, and after watching this, you know what to do. Yeah.
That's it for this video, my friends. I hope you learned something new, and if you do so, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and relatives and family. And if you are new to this channel, if you haven't subscribed already, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. See you in the next video. Until then, this is Vishwa